Most people think sugarcane has only one purpose, sugar. But what happens to the massive stems left behind after extraction is rarely seen. Every year, millions of tons of sugarcane waste are produced worldwide. What looks like agricultural waste is actually the beginning of a completely different industry. This is the journey of sugarcane stems, from farms to factories to everyday life. Inside these facilities, nothing is treated as waste. Fresh sugarcane stems arrive in endless volumes, cut, crushed, and reduced into fibrous material known as bagasse. At this stage, it looks raw, wet, and unfinished. But this fiber is stronger than it appears and full of potential. The bagasse is washed thoroughly to remove impurities. Water flows continuously as fibers are separated and cleaned. This pulp becomes the foundation for everything that follows. Transferred through pipes and channels, it moves deeper into the production line. Every step is controlled, measured, and repeated thousands of times a day. The clean pulp enters molding units where pressure and heat begin shaping it. Slowly, familiar forms start to appear. Plates, bowls, containers. Still damp, still fragile, but already functional. What once grew in fields is now taking a completely new form. Rows of machines operate in perfect rhythm. Human workers guide, inspect, and supervise each stage. Hydraulic presses apply immense force with exact timing. Precision here is critical. Even small variations are corrected immediately. Nothing moves forward without meeting strict standards.
Keep it coming straight back. All right, hold it right there. Go ahead and lift.
Each finished piece is inspected carefully. Those that fail are not discarded. They're recycled back into the system. Approved products move toward packaging lines. Cartons are formed, sealed, and stacked with machine accuracy. Ready for distribution.
Push that side up higher.
Ready for
Okay,
use.
I got it. Watch your footing.
In kitchens around the world, these products serve real meals. Hot food, cold food, everyday use. Cafeterias, restaurants, street vendors. The plates hold their shape, resist heat, and return safely to the environment. A quiet replacement for plastic, already in action. After use, the journey does not end. Collected separately, sugarcane plates enter organic waste streams. At composting facilities, they break down naturally, returning nutrients back to the soil, completing a full production cycle from earth to use and back again.
This is where the material is sterilized.
And how often do we check the temperature gauge?
Hourly during normal operation.
Check the diagnostics on the central conveyor.
Already on it. Looks like a minor sensor adjustment is needed, but the line is stable.
As demand grows, production expands. More farms supply raw material. More factories adopt similar systems. Automation increases efficiency while reducing waste. What started as an alternative becomes an industry standard. Energy systems recover heat and recycle water. Engineers refine materials for strength and durability. Factories operate cleaner, smarter, and faster. cities integrate organic waste management. A larger system begins to form, quietly, steadily. Production never truly stops. Day shifts blend into night shifts. Machines are maintained, calibrated, improved. Trucks arrive and depart on schedule. A constant flow of material, controlled and reliable.
I've applied the certification stickers. We can move this batch to the holding area. Understood.
Finished goods are stored, shipped, and exported. Containers leave factories for ports. Ports connect continents. From one region to another, the same process repeats. A global network built from agricultural waste. Factories coexist with nearby communities. Jobs are created. Local economies grow. Green zones surround industrial areas. Industry and environment operate side by side. Farmers harvest the next cycle of sugarcane. Compost enriches the soil for future crops. Factories continue working in balance with nature. No dramatic claims, no sudden change, just a system designed to last, quietly shaping the future.
Building a sustainable future together.
Looks good so far. The throughput is steady.
Yes, yes, and the quality metrics are holding at 98% right here.